Hi all, my name is Gautam. Today I am back with an amazing video. How to say where are you from in different languages? In English, where are you from? Now we will see where are you from in Telugu language.
నువ్వు ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చావు?
నువ్వు ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చావు? Where are you from in Telugu language? నువ్వు ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చావు? Now we will see where are you from in Hindi language.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from in Hindi language? आप कहाँ से हैं? Now we will see where are you from in Spanish language.
¿De dónde eres?
De dónde eres? Where are you from in Spanish language? De dónde eres? Now we will see where are you from in French language.
D'où viens-tu?
D'où viens-tu? Where are you from in French language? D'où viens-tu? Now we will see where are you from in German language.
Wo kommen Sie her?
Wo kommen Sie her? Where are you from in German language? Wo kommen Sie her? Now we will see where are you from in Italian language.
Di dove sei?
Di dove sei? Where are you from in Italian language? Di dove sei? Now we will see where are you from in Portuguese.
De onde você é?
De onde você? Where are you from in Portuguese? De onde você? Now we will see where are you from in Chinese language.
你从哪来？
Ni kang na lai? Where are you from in Chinese language? Ni kang na lai? Now we will see where are you from in Arabic language.
من أين أنت؟
Min ain ant? Where are you from in Arabic language? Min ain ant? Now we will see where are you from in Russian language.
откуда ты?
Откуда ты? Where are you from in Russian language? Откуда ты? Now we will see where are you from in Japanese language.
出身はどちらですか？
Sushi wa dochira desu ka? Where are you from in Japanese language? Sushi wa dochira desu ka? Now we will see where are you from in Tamil language.
நீங்கள் எங்கிருந்து வருகிறீர்கள்?
நீங்கள் எங்கிருந்து வருகிறீர்கள்? Where are you from in Tamil language? நீங்கள் எங்கிருந்து வருகிறீர்கள்? Now we will see where are you from in Urdu language.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from in Urdu? आप कहाँ से हैं? Now we will see where are you from in Gujarati.
તમે ક્યાંથી છો?
તમે ક્યાંથી છો? Where are you from in Gujarati? તમે ક્યાંથી છો? Now we will see where are you from in Filipino.
Saan ka nagmula?
Saan ka nagmula? Where are you from in Filipino? Saan ka nagmula? Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.